Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NOVN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a rough day on this one. Some good news and some bad news. We'll start off with the bad news, which I'm assuming is relatively obvious. But Monday had the nice gap up. The price was sitting up around here, so it was a more than valid, a more than rational question of, oh, wow, is this thing about to just get that much more continuation, that much more upside strength? And then this morning, the chart gave us the answer, and absolutely not. Not only did the price gap down, and then after the price gap down, that opening 30 minutes, you can just see it fell and fell and fell. So that's the bad news, right? That the very nice movement that occurred on Monday has now been totally wiped away, and it's all gone. Now the good news here, though, is at least the price was able to hold above this green line, which I've talked about in past videos, down here right around the 75-cent mark. It's held up strong before, and then you can see that right here, that's where it's bounced off of on two separate occasions today. So my point here is that it could have been really, really bad news had the price behaved in this manner, come down there, and then just continue to blast down through that level. At that point, that'd be a very, very nasty looking chart. Now, yeah, the chart does look rough after today. I'm not trying to say that this is a beautiful looking chart. My point here is it could have looked a whole lot worse. So good to see that 75 cents was able to manage and hold strong. But that also brings about the very key level moving forward. And that's going to be right there at 75 cents. So going into Wednesday, and not necessarily just Wednesday, the foreseeable future, the very important level that you want to see the price continue to maintain is that 75-cent mark. Now, in the event the price bounces back to the upside, initial level you'll want to watch is that purple line right there, the 50-period moving average, currently valued at 86 cents. And that's going to be the only level of resistance I talk about, because in my opinion, at least, top priority right now is not really about breaking levels of resistance or anything like that. At this point, it's all about trying to stabilize out and, ensure that this key level of support at 75 cents holds. So we'll see what happens with it all going into Wednesday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.